Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your homes. Dear students, once again, welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, as you know, already we have started learning lesson number 3, My Country and Its Landscape. Is it, dear students? Dear students, in this lesson already we have learned about knowing our country. Is it? Means India is in the southern part of continent of Asia. Yes, dear student, in the picture, now what you are looking here, this is the world map. Is it? This is complete our earth. Is it? This is the world map. And dear students, this is the complete earth. And dear student, here whatever the color spots you are looking, means yellow, green, is it? These are all the continents. Means these are all the continents. Continents means a large land masses. And dear student, whatever the blue part you are looking in this, on the earth, this is all the oceans. Understand? This is all about the oceans. Yes, dear students, whatever the color spots we are looking, this is all the continents. And dear students, whatever the blue part we are looking on the map, this is all the ocean. And oceans means the water part. A large water body on the earth is a ocean. Okay, dear students. Dear students, what we have now? The India is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Just you see here, dear student, this is our India. Understand? This is our country, India. And it is located in the southern part of the continent Asia. Okay, dear student? I think you are understanding clearly by seeing the picture. If you are listening, you will understand better. Okay, this is the country India and it is located in the Asian part. Okay, southern part of the continent of Asia. Okay, dear student. So, dear student, it is the 7th largest and second most populated country in the world. It is second most populated country in the world. And it stretches about 3,200 kilometers from north to south. Dear students, I am telling you about north to south. So, this is the northern part and this is the southern part. Okay, dear student. So, dear student, it is stretching, means our land area or Indian country is stretches from 3,214 kilometers from north to south. And dear student, 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Understand, dear students? So, this is about our Indian landscape. Dear student, being located in the southern part of Asia, our India, just on the globe also just you will see. Yes, our country, it is marking as a green color. So, this is located in the southern part of Asia. Yes, dear student, by seeing, this is also complete our earth and our India is located on the southern part of the Asia. And its landscape is, it stretches about 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Okay, dear student, after this, being located in the southern part of Asia, India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Yes, dear student, you will see. Means this is one side, second side and this is the third side. So, in the middle this is the India, our country India. And our country India is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay, our country, it is surrounded by three sides on water. And dear student, here just see the Bay of Bengal. Here just you will see a Bay of Bengal to the east and Arabian Sea. You will see this Arabian Sea to the west, and here Indian Ocean, it is to the south. Okay dear student, so this is the water body surrounded our country. Okay dear student, once again I will tell you, this is means Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal to the east, Arabian Sea to the west, and Indian Ocean to the south. So like this our India is surrounded by three sides on water. Okay dear student, now we will learn about our country, how it shares its border with different countries. Okay dear student, so in this part also just we will see it shares its border with Pakistan and Afghanistan. Just you will see here dear student, this is the Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay dear student, so this is to the northwest. Okay, north means upper side and south means down, and east to your left, west to your left and east to your right. So here northwest, understanding, here Pakistan and Afghanistan are the countries with northwest. And dear student, to the northeast, here China, Bhutan, Nepal. Okay, so how our country shares its border with north and northwest? To the north and northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan. These are the countries share its, means our country shares its borders with China, Nepal and Bhutan. And dear students, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Yes dear student, with the help of map we are learning, means it is easy for remembering. Is it dear student? Here the country Myanmar and Bangladesh are to the east of Indian country. Okay dear student, this is the Myanmar and Bangladesh. Then dear student, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, Sri Lanka and Maldives, these countries lie to the south of the country, and these all are our neighboring countries. Understand student? Once again I will explain here. Here Pakistan, Afghanistan, our India share its border with Pakistan and Afghan to the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north and northeast, and here Myanmar, Bangladesh, these are the neighboring countries of India to the east. Then dear student, here Sri Lanka, Maldives, these countries lie to the south of the country, and these are our Indian neighbors or our country's neighbors. Understand student? So dear student, only I am telling, this is little bit difficult for you for understanding. Dear student, if I am following these things with the help of map, it is very easy to understand. Okay dear student, so this is about the location of India on the world map. Is it? This is the location of India on the world map, and also the how our country shares its border with the different countries. Okay dear student, so I hope you all are understanding about our country India. Dear student, if you are having any doubts about this, you can ask me. Okay dear student, watch the video once again with the help of your elders. Once again you have to watch this video repeatedly, then how the India is located in southern part of Asia, that you will understand better, and how the India, it is surrounded by three sides on water, and which are the oceans to the east, west and on the south. So which oceans are there our surrounding, that also we will learn. Here dear students, Bay of Bengal to the east, Arabian Sea to the west and Indian Ocean to the south. So like this our India shares its means our India is surrounded by water on three sides. Dear students, after that what thing we have learned here, how India shares its border with, how India shares its border with Pakistan and Afghanistan to northwest,